Hello everyone and welcome to this course. I'm very pleased to be here with you today to start this journey into artificial intelligence. Let me introduce myself briefly. I hold a doctorate in computer science. My academic background has given me a deep technical understanding of how intelligent systems are built. I'm also an expert in artificial intelligence, specializing in how we can apply these complex tools and technologies to solve a real-world problem, each in many domains, in marketing, in finance, in operation, in computer science, in data science, etc. So I have more than 14 years of professional experience in this field. Over the last decades and a half, I have watched AI certainly evolve from a rich subject into a goal force that change how every business operates. I have worked on the technical side, building system, and the strategic side, helping leaders to make a better decision. And my goal is to bring the max of technical expertise and practical experience to my student. So here you can understand not just the how, but the way of AI in business decision, and how to make the business decision. Let's begin with looking at what we will cover in this course. The course is titled AI in Business Decision Making. Over the next few sessions, we are going to explore the essential lessons that are shaping modern business intelligence. We are not just talking about robots. We are talking about smart tools that helps you run a company better and faster. Also, you will learn the core application of AI. This includes forecasting and how we can predict the future. It includes also marketing analytics and how we understand our customer better than ever before. It includes also operation optimization and how to optimize and how to make the business run faster and cheaper for sure. And also finally, we will talk about, we will focus about strategic predictive modeling and how to plan for the long term. By the end of this course, we will understand how to integrate AI into your workflow. And you will also understand the ethical consideration or the meaning, how to use AI responsibly, and the practical tools you need to support our driven decision. This is the main idea and goal of this work. Now, you might ask, what is the value of this course for you? Here, let me answer this question. The value is practical. You will gain practical AI skills, enabling to analyze business problem using intelligence and artificial intelligence and data-driven process. This means you will be able to look at a business problem as a specialist and say, here is how we use intelligent data-driven, for example, approach to solve this specific problem. Also, how will we achieve this? And here we will talk about methodology, and I have a very simple methodology. Is my methodology is the hands-on. The hands-on, we will not just read theory. We will use a case study, a real example from other companies, from a famous one of the companies in the world. We will look at many frameworks, structures that help you think. We will use also data sets, and we will do a hands-on exercise. I blend my lecture with the demonstration and interactive discussion. I want you to ask the same question as I ask, and the workforce here is how to understand and how to ensure and how to apply these rules, these tools, this experience for your business decision making. Let's move to the foundation of AI in business, and let's get to the core content here. What is the foundation of AI in business? At its heart, AI or artificial intelligence is about enhancing decision making. For example, in the past, business decisions were often based on feeling or limited reports. AI changed this by automating analysis. It takes the hard work of processing numbers and does it instantly. AI is also excellent at uncovering insight. We often have a complex data set, mountain of data that are too big for a human to read, to analyze, to predict, and to evaluate. AI here digs into that data and finds the hidden insight. It finds the pattern that matter. As we see also, AI can support business intelligence, or BI as an abbreviation. It integrates predictive models with many methods. This means it doesn't just tell you what happened, for example, last month. It helps you with your strategic planning. Of course, it's adaptive with your strategic planning for next year. And here we talk about modern businesses who adopt these AI frameworks for what to improve three things, I think: accuracy, efficiency, and responsiveness. In a competitive environment, these three things determine if you win or lose. It's a very three important domain to evaluate our business and our workflow of business. It's important here to talk about the transition to AI enhanced analytics, and before that, it's important to understand how we got here. We are transitionary from traditional analytics to AI enhanced analytics. For the past, for the traditional analytics, it's relied on historical data. We looked at the past to guess the future. The problem is that the past doesn't always predict the future. This limited our capabilities and slowed down our decision making. By the time you analyze the data, you analyze the opportunity was gone. And now we introduce AI and machine learning. When you talk about machine learning, it allows a system to learn patterns. They don't just store data, they learn from it. This enable a system to generate highly accurate business prediction. In another way, organizations are shifting toward AI-driven insight. This shift improves operational performance. It allows us to move from being reacting and fixing problem after they happen to being proactive and stopping problems before they start is the main idea of this field. Let's move to the core value of AI in business and what is the core value. Why should a business invest in AI? Why should a business use AI tools? We will talk about three fields: the automation, the minimizing error, and speed or scale, speed and scale. For the first way, automation in AI. Here, AI delivers automation by reducing the manual workload. It takes the boring, the repetitive task, the long task, and does them automatically. This increase efficiency across multiple business functions offshore. The second value or the second point of value is how to minimize error and minimizing error. As we know, humans make mistakes. Humans get tired. We got distracted offshore. AI does not. It improves the reliability of business forecasting and decision outcomes. It's the idea. For the third value, which is the speed and the scale, AI allows organization to process large data set quickly. This is the main idea of this way. A task that would take a human a week might take AI a few minutes, maybe less than a few minutes. It generates actionable insight, insight who you can actually act on. It's almost instantly. And in the same subject, we will talk here about AI integration with the BI framework. And how does this fit with the tools we already use? We are talking about the integration of AI with the BI, the integration of artificial intelligence in the business intelligence. It's about how to evaluate our business, how to make decision, how to predict, etc. Or business decision framework. First, it's strengthens data pipeline. Here, think of a data pipeline like a water pipe. It's very simple example, like a water pipe. It carries data from one place to another. AI ensure this pipe is strong and that the data flows seamlessly between the the predictive model and your existing infrastructure. The second point is AI improves the dashboard intelligence. Here, the main focus is about business intelligence field. You have all seen dashboards. charts and graphs or on a screen. Here, AI can make these dynamic. This adapt to real-time data change. It sale number drops right now. The dashboard changes immediately, and it supports advanced analytics. It transforms statistic by BI systems that just show reports into a proactive decision support platform. It helps the organization make decision, not just ready to read history. After that, we talk about a modern business landscape and how to businesses adapt AI technologies to remain competitive and respond effectively to rapidly changing. And here, let's look at the landscape we are in today. Why is everyone talking about AI right now? Businesses adapt AI technologies to remain competitive. The market change rapidly. Now we have new competitors appear every day, maybe every hour. AI helps companies to respond effectively to this change. AI can enable real-time decision making. When a challenge happens, you don't want to wait for a meeting next week or next day. You need to know now how can you solve that, and AI helps organization to react instantly and on the real time to operational and strategic challenges. And finally, AI fosters innovation. Sure, it empowers a company to develop a new product, a new, for example, chatbot, a new robot, a new module, a new frameworks, a new innovation system, new services, and actually a new business model. A new business model efficiently. It allows the small business to compete with the big business by using smart tools. Here, let me summarize our session one from lesson one. And let's summarize what we have learned today in this first session. We learned that AI transforms operation across industries and business model. AI can predict enhance decision making, and the predictive tools enhance decision making and strategic planning. We learned also that automation drives efficiency. It reduces cost and reduces human error, freeing up humans to do creative work and new technologies in the creative work. We have covered in this session of the first lesson the value and the methodology of the AI and the foundation of AI. Also the transition to AI enhanced analytics, the core value, the integration with BI frameworks, and the modern business landscape. In our next session, session two, we will dive deeper. We will cover the specific role of AI in business decision. We will look at more details on AI integration with business intelligence frameworks, and we will look at the overview of BI tools like Power of BI and another technical framework framework like Power BI, like Tableau, etc. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I look forward to seeing you in the next session, session 2. Bye bye.